Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make keto cheesecake. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need cream cheese, a sugar substitute like erythritol, eggs, and a touch of vanilla extract for the filling. For the crust, almond flour and melted butter are essential. This dessert is perfect for those following a ketogenic diet, offering a satisfying sweet treat without the high sugar content of traditional cheesecakes. Now, let's create the perfect keto crust. In a bowl, mix 1 1/2 cups of almond flour with 1/4 cup of melted butter and a tablespoon of your chosen sugar substitute. Press this mixture evenly into the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan. Bake the crust at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. This pre-baking step helps ensure a firm and delicious base for your cheesecake. For the creamy filling, beat 24 ounces of softened cream cheese with 1 cup of erythritol until the mixture is smooth and lump-free. Gradually incorporate 3 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully mixed before adding the next. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Pour this luscious filling over your pre-baked crust. Bake at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 to 60 minutes or until the edges are set. Once baked, turn off the oven and let the cheesecake cool inside with the door ajar for 1 hour to prevent cracking. Then, cool it completely at room temperature before chilling in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or preferably overnight. Top your delicious keto cheesecake with fresh berries, a sugar-free chocolate drizzle, or a generous dollop of whipped cream. For more great tips and deals, including a link to * the simple path to wealth *, check the description below. Enjoy your amazing homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.